What it do, Silent Family? Your boy just came back from the range. SAR 9X, yes, I'm loving it. Um, CCI 9 millimeter 115 grain ammo is a no go. I don't know what's up with your quality control. I had a few jams today, everything. So usually I'm gonna run Winchester. Looks something like this. Look at it real good, y'all. All right. Or some of this Monarch. All right, y'all see that? Usually running something like that. All right. This is the CCI Blazer on the end. You see how much different it looks? Just a lot cheaper. Looks just a lot cheaper. I ain't gonna lie. So, CCI Blazer is a no go for me. Get better ammo.